wasn't. What did you want to tell me?
Don't worry about it.
You sure?
I can wait. How's Sierra doing?
Okay.
Yeah?
I don't know.
I mean, she's not worse, right?
I just want to get her to the hospital before.
Gigi, I swear to you, on my life, we will.
Life, huh?
We're almost there.
You really think they're going to be able to help her?
You kidding me? Cute little kid like that, they'll be swarming up to her. They won't stop until she's good as new. She'll be fine.
Yeah, she will. She's strong. Just like her mom and dad.
Rex! Stacy! Oh, come on, buddy. I really wish you'd come up for air. Rex! Come on. I have to try again. No, you've already been in there too long. I have to try. No! Listen to me, you're done. Fish, no, Rex, listen to me. Any longer and you're dead. If you fight me, we're both dead. Come on, Rex, your son needs you.
Hey, yeah, we'll be there in a few minutes. Okay, so ER knows we've got an emergent newborn. They're gonna be waiting for us. I'm gonna see if I can get a weather report.
Whoa, wait. This song, I used to sing this to Shane.
See the pyramids along the Nile. Watch the sunrise on a tropic isle. Just remember, darling, all the while you belong to me. You belong to me.
You did your best. Did everything you could. It was impossible. Can't believe that she's gone. She was trying to tell you something. Do you have any idea what she was trying to say? Something about the baby?
The only thing I know is that little girl does not have a mother.
Hey, we need help!
Excuse me, hi, we need some help.
Here, get rid of me. We don't know what's wrong with her.
Are you the parents?
No, but they're on their way.